Are you tired of looking for the TikTok repost button but can't find it? The first issue could be that your internet connection is not on, but if that is not the case, then this method I'm about to show you today will surely fix it. If you noticed at first we had no videos reposted because we could not repost videos. Now let me show you how I fixed it. Our request has been sent to TikTok support and our repost option should be available before 24 hours. If this helped you, please leave a like and consider subscribing.